And then, let's see. This bit is turning this x, or sorry, this bit is turning this t value into an x and a y, right? And that's
So
just
T
by
is
doing
time.
basically like, yeah, t is the progress, the line progress, actually.
Okay.
Time comes in up here, which is just modifying f of x, y. So this just
Okay.
scrolls through like you're reading a book and just goes through here, then loops over, goes through here, loops over, goes through here, and just keeps going like that until it gets to the end. Um, and obviously, or I shouldn't say obviously because I use that word too much. But you can
Who
kind
doesn't
of
know?
see that this is kind of the same thing, but this and this are swapped, right?
Yeah. So it makes it so it's happening on
So
a
that, yeah.
orthogonal grid.
So this one, yeah, this one is looping around the x direction and slowly moving up the y direction, but this one's looping through the y direction and moving through the x. So um these two are technically completely separate, but if you put them in the same place and use the same f of xy, you get one whole graph,
Yeah.
which is really neat. Um,
Obviously.
sorry, I don't mean to like.
I'm not. I'm not. I'm
uh,
not ragging on you.
yeah,
Just
yeah.
having fun.
Um, and then there's like you can break down each of these boxes even further. Like this box here is like its floor. Well, actually, this box here. This takes the 0 to 1, makes it 0 to 10, takes the floor, and then divides by 10. So it brings it back down to 0 to 1. So it turns like 0, 0.1, 0.15, 0.19, all those go to zero point 0.1. Or sorry, not the 0, but all of those go to zero point 0.1. So it just makes this like stepped function.
Oh, okay.
Um, so it's like a trick to just make a staircase where each step is 0.1.
Yeah, okay.
And is that what's
Um,
making it so that these lines are like
that's
divided?
that's
Multiple
what's making
lines.
the lines straight, so that it's just in one direction at a time. What's making them disconnected
Ah, okay.
is this bit, which is modulus 1, where instead of taking the floor and dividing by 10, you just take the um, fractional part. So like if you have 7.29, you take 0.29, right?
Okay, yeah.
So that basically like if I copy this and copy this. One great skill to know for making these kinds of things is like, oh, let me do that. There. So you can see here it's just going up really quickly and then shoots back down. It goes up really quickly, shoots back down.
Saw wave.
Yeah, it's a saw wave. Um, and um, with that stepped function, which I can actually, if I grab another one and put it in the same spot and just make it like a different color, I guess. Let me make this one like black. There. Um, and then I'll copy this, copy this, copy this.
I've already learned one big thing that I didn't know after all this time is that you can just grab the wave and put it where you want.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
I, I spent so much time just tweaking the little
Oh,
Mhm.
knobs, trying to get come over
Mhm.
here, wave, and
I was so
Mhm.
excited to
Mhm.
learn I could move
jeez.
that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. There you go. Stair step
Yeah.
kind of
Okay.
Yeah.
function.
So basically, this just when you combine these two as the x and y coordinates, you basically get um like anywhere that it's x equals 0, you get all those y values. Anywhere where it's x equals zero point 0.1, you get all those y values. X equals zero point 0.2, all those y values. And that basically makes just one direction of these lines. So just the horizontal.
That's how you got rid of
Um,
the
no, it would be just
diagonals. Is that
no. The diagonals is actually, if you look closely, you can still kind of see them. They're just like
got
really
it?
stringy
Okay.
bits. It's like a cheese pull. Um, and I can't get rid of them completely, which is annoying. I might be able to, but it's gonna be really annoying too. So I didn't.
They look kind of cool though. So
Yeah, it does
Yeah, they
kind
do
of
look
add
kind of
like an
cool.
extra little.
Yeah.
side effect.
Yeah.
The way I did that was with this block right here that's connected to the line thickness. So if I copy this and bring it right here, wait, which one of these? Yeah, this one.
Map.
If I put
Stack
that in there,
mappers.
Yeah. Maps.
you can see this map, absolute value map, basically um let me let me move it and bring this back. This maps 0 to 1 into -1 to 1 so that I can absolute value it and get that V shape. And then I move that V shape um uh then I move the V shape into this range where the middle of the V is a big value, well, a pretty small value, but it's big compared to the ends, which are 0.
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
cool. Okay, Uh, that's this is kind of what you're doing with the other graph over there, but
mhm.
just kind of a slice of it.
Yeah, exactly. Like if f of xy was just 0, this is what almost what each pair of lines would look like, or each set of lines would look like. Because
Cool.
these are like slightly diagonal, but these are set up so that they're perfectly horizontal and vertical.
You mind if I publish this? I've been
I've got stuff to
recording
chew on.
your walkthrough here.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I kind of like went a little nuts last night, going, "Oh man, I need a workshop on this," because I just keep pounding my head
You
against the
you really should.
the line block here.
Mhm.
If you went
Yeah.
through from
Oh
the
I
yeah, yeah.
wasn't
I
I
beginning,
am
wasn't trying
planning
to
on it.
push you, but
that would be.
yeah, it would be
I'm
really
currently collecting
welcome.
ideas for what my examples are going to be.
All
Like,
right. YouTube viewers,
one of the
leave it
simplest examples is going to
in
be
the
just a circle.
comments. Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
I'm gonna have to
Uh,
sign off here, guys.
All
one of
right.
the
Gotta
okay.
feed the cat.
All right.
It's
See ya.
it's a
Yeah,
new
you
day.
do.
But hey, thanks for doing this, Matt. And,
Yeah, no
also
problem.
very cool to see what's happening with the procedural line. I
Yeah,
appreciate it. Appreciate
no
both of them.
problem.
Nice to meet you,
All right,
you
good seeing you around.
Anima. See you later.
Have a good one.
All right.
All right. So what are you trying to
Yeah,
find out?
I got about man, I got a bouts too.
All right. Yeah, I
I'm
gotta
trying.
get out of here
All right,
too.
see ya.
So we'll see you around. Thanks for popping in.
All right, nice chat with y'all. Yeah, have a good night.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
So, what were you asking?
So you wanted to find out, like, so if you were to do a workshop on this, you said you wanted to
Mm-hmm.
get some ideas of like,
Yeah.
right? So
I want to know,
YouTube
like, what are my
viewers
examples?
could write in the comments below whatever you're asking,
Yeah.
right? What are they? What kind of
Um,
ideas what would they want to make with this sort
um,
of thing?
I'm
Right?
looking. Yeah, I'm looking for like questions about like, could I make a spiral? Yes, you can. Could I make a cube? Maybe. It would be very complicated. But that's kind of why I want the ideas, because there's stuff that I probably haven't even thought of. Like I asked someone and they said, "What about a double helix? Like you can make that coil, right?
Sure.
But what about a double helix?" And actually making that was one step to make this. Like realizing that I can use like using watchers and modular arithmetic and all kinds of stuff to make the lines jump means that I can just basically put the line wherever I need it to make multiple lines. And um, kind of the only thing left is uh, like Alexander wept for there were no more worlds to conquer except for finding a I'm not going to swear, but finding a gosh darn idea. Because, like, making this was actually one of my friend's ideas. Like, oh, could you make a 2D graph instead of just a 1D graph? And I thought about it, said no, then I thought about it some more, and then made this. You know? Like, I'm just looking for ideas.
Hey,
Because that's the hardest part for me.
if we could make a cube, could we make a tesseract?
I have. I have. No, I'm not even kidding. It's one of my first worlds.
That's awesome. That's fabulous.
I used wait, how many is that? That's 12 and then yeah, 32 line blocks, 32 procedural lines. Each one is just a straight line, but it's doing all the 4D calculations for every point along the line. I could make it way faster now. I could also possibly, this might sound ridiculous, but I might be able to do it in one line block. And I want to try that sometime.
That would be interesting.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is
because
I think so. I think someone would like to go through this as a workshop, being able to ask questions about stuff
absolutely.
as you're going.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, if anyone watching this, if you have a request, something that you would be looking to make in Patch World along the lines of using these what we've got here, leave it in the comments.
Yeah.
And I think we'll leave it with that. And I'm going to get going.
All right.
So thank you. This is cool. I think this was
I'm definitely saving this.
Sort of its own like mini workshop.
Yeah.
You know what? I might just save
See
it.
ya.
I might just save this in here and put it in the corner because it's it's cool looking. All right.
Although it is using like probably 10% CPU right now.
Oh yeah. All right.